Hey gang! It's Amy Harber here with another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. We have here the Ipsy August 2020 Glam Bag. The theme is "The future is yours." Look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow. From achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. A whole new world of beauty, valued at $50 plus, is in your hands. Where will you begin? Hashtag Ipsy Future You. Let's find out what these products are. I love this alien looking bag and I cannot wait to talk about it. All right, gang. The future is yours. You can glow your own way. Talking about how to personalize your Ipsy bag. I've got way too many songs in my head. Step out into the future. I'm a horrible singer. Please tell me how bad I am in the comments. I don't care. If you're really mean though, you'll end up in mean comments Monday. So, all about future of beauty, cryo effect, CBD, hyaluronic acid. I still cannot pronounce it. I mean, I could sit there and spell it phonetically and still not be able to talk about it. So there's this cute little alien holographic looking back. Look at that. It's just freaky. Wow. Now that I'm the alien. Okay. Enough. Estate Cosmetics Going Nutty bronzer in cocoa. Haven't had a bronzer yet. I have way too much blush on though. There we go. Little bronzer contour. I like to take a little contour here too. There we go. Perfectly contoured. Yay. Sometimes, like when they have food themes, they smell. So don't judge me there for taking a little sniff at it. I didn't know. Okay, then we have, oh, I love this product line, Glamglow. Too bad it's like so mucho expensive and I'm so very unemployed. Thank you, COVID. Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. I don't know how I could be fatigued. Yeah. Smells very pleasant. Excited to try it. I'll let you know how it goes. Then we have Kaleido Cosmetics. Where is it? Muse Skin Ultra Fine Pearl Illuminator in Goddess. Let's illuminate. Let's illuminate to go with that bronzer. Yeah. Let's highlight the shit out of myself. Let's put a little up here too. Just let's highlight everything. I approve. Okay, Minetan coffee scrub. Coffee scrubs sound fun until you get in the shower and you realize what a mess they make. Still, I will try it anyway because it will give you smoother skin and it'll also help get rid of the cellulite. However, yeah. I always think it makes a mess though in your shower, but I'm still gonna use it. There we go. And then finally, Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. I am hit and miss on the Sunday Riley. Sometimes their stuff has weird smells to it that I am not particularly fond of. Okay, this isn't that bad. There we go. Looks like it's been shaken up or something. Like somebody scooped a finger out of it. I hope nobody at like Ipsy was like trying my stuff, but It smells nice. So this is probably going to be a hit, not a miss. They do have like 1 or 2 products that I'm just like, cannot stand the smell. Anyway, I'm going to go have fun. How appropriate. I'm wearing my Star Lab shirt with like this alien, super meta, human looking bag. So awesome. I'm nerding out now. Anyway, that's where you should follow me. It's probably where you're watching one of those videos. And like, subscribe wherever in this box it is. And until next time, stay beautiful.